Hi students. Today we are going to see one case study about population growth and decay. So it's come under the category applications of differential equations. Okay. So what is this? So we are going to see population growth and decay. In this presentation, we are going to see the real world problems that can be represented by using first order differential equation. We know how to solve first order differential equation, and we don't know where it can be applied. That is the main thing. So now we solve the first order differential equation modeling phenomena in a population growth and decay. Suppose say we have a population n of t of some organism, whether that organism may be animals in the wild, humans in the society, whatever be the case. Okay. Suppose if we want to find out the population growth in India, what is the population growth in Tamil Nadu, that we can able to find out using differential equation. So for that, what I am representing, let t denote the time. Population sometimes approximately obeys a differential equation. So d by dt of n of t equal to here k into n of t with a constant continuous growth rate k. Here n of t denotes the population at time t and k is a constant of proportionality. Serves as a model for population growth and decay of insects, animals, and whatever human population at certain places and duration. Next, how to solve this solution, how to solve this problem and find out the solution. So here d by dt of n of t equal to k into n of t. So as it is a first order differential equation, it can be solved by using a variable separable method. So I am separating the variables d by dt of n of t by n of t equal to k into dt. So it becomes a integrating both sides with respect to t, we will get a log of n of t equal to kt plus c, and n of t it becomes exponential. So n of t equal to e power kt plus c. So e power kt plus c can be written as e power kt into e power c. So n of t equal to c, capital C into e power kt, where capital C is some constant. I am representing it as e power c. So c can be determined if n of t is given at certain time. The population of a community is known to increase at a rate of proportional to the number of people present at a time t. If the population has doubled in 6 years, how long it will take to triple? So that is the problem that we are going to see here. Okay. So let here I am denoting n of t denote the population at time t. So initially the population becomes 0. So it becomes n of 0 denote the initial population. Then d by dt of n of t, the same problem, the solution we know. So how we are going to solve this problem? So n of 0 becomes, just to see, if we substitute in the solution n of 0 here, if you substitute 0 here, you will get a c e power 0. It becomes a 1, c into 1. So n of 0 becomes a c. Also in the problem it is given that the population is doubled in 6 years. That what does it mean? So n of 6 equals to 2 times the original population. 2 times the initial population becomes a 2 times n of 0. So n of 6 is nothing but c e power 6k equal to 2c. So solving, you will get e power 6k equal to 2. So 6k equal to log 2, k equal to 1 by 6 into log 2. To find t when n of t equals to, we have to find out when it becomes triple. So n of t equal to 3c, that is what we have to find out, that is 3 times the original population n of 0. So it becomes n of 0 into e power kt equal to 3 times n of 0. So both the sides n of 0 will get cancelled. So e power kt becomes 3. So what is k? Already we have found the solution of k. E power 1 by 6 log 2 into t equal to 3. So exponential becomes logarithm, logarithm becomes exponential. So 1 by 6 log 2 of t equals to log 3. So t will becomes so everything I am taking from the left hand side to the right hand side. So it becomes 6 into log 3 by log 2. So it comes approximately the answer t equal to 9.6 years. So what does it mean? Therefore the population will get triple at 9 years 6 months approximately. So in this we have we came to know that differential equation, application of differential equation can be used to find out the population growth and as well as decay, how in future. That is that we can predict the population growth of the future. So I think you understand very well.